Okay students, today in our class we will learn how to find expected frequencies of Poisson distribution. Okay, this is given problem. Okay, fit a Poisson distribution for the following data and calculate the expected frequencies. Okay, x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, f of x 109, 65, 22, 3, 1. Okay, these are all the values of f of x are all actual frequencies. They are obtained by performing a random experiment, but without doing any random experiment we have to expected frequencies. Okay, now in this class you will learn how to expect the frequencies, expected frequencies. Okay, now in order to find out the expected frequencies we need to find the probabilities of every point, p of 0, p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, p of 4, but for it we want mean. Okay, what is the mean of Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution mu is equal to mu, but mu is given by sigma xi into f of xi by n. Okay, here in this problem n value is 200. We can get n value by summing up all of these values. Okay, n is equal to 200. Okay, now how to find out these values? Summation xi into f of xi, this is nothing but 0 into 109, 0 into 109 plus 1 into 65 plus 2 into 22, okay, plus 3 into 3, okay, plus 4 into 1 whole by 200. Okay, now 0 into 109, its value is 0, plus 1 into 65, its value is 65, plus 2 into 22, 44, plus 3 into 3, 9, plus 4 into 1, 4. Okay, 0.61. okay, this value is given by 0.61. now this is mu, therefore mu is equal to 0.61. now let us find out the values, probabilities of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let us find out p of 0. It is given by p of 0 comma mu, but mu value is p of 0 comma 0.61. okay, now as per the Poisson distribution, probability is given by p of x mu is equal to e power of minus mu power of x by x factorial. Here mu is mean, x is number of successes. Okay, now in this problem x is equal to 0, mu is equal to 6.1, that is e power of minus mu 0.61 mu power of x 0.61 whole power of mu power of x, that is 0 by x factorial, 0 factorial. Okay, but now here 0.61 whole power of 0 means 1, 0 factorial is also 1, therefore e power of minus 0.61 minus 0.61, but its value is given by e power of 5435. 0.5435. Okay. Find out remaining probabilities. Let us use recurrence formula for the Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution recurrence formula is given by P of x plus 1 is equal to P of x into mu by x plus 1. Okay, this is called recurrence formula of Poisson distribution. Already I told you how to evaluate this value, this formula in the previous lesson. Okay, now let us find out P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of 4 by using this formula. Now first let us find out P of 1 by using recurrence formula. This can be written as 0 plus 1. P of x plus 1, 0 plus 1. Therefore x is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. By the formula mu by x plus 1. Here mu is nothing but 0.61 by x plus 1. X is 0. 0 plus 1 into P of 0. Okay, by the recurrence formula. Now 0.61, right, 0.61 into P of 0 value 0.5435 whole by 1. Okay, now find 3315. Okay, now let us find out P of 2. P of 2 is P of 1 plus 1. Here x plus 1, x value is 1. Therefore mu by, that is 0.61 by x plus 1, 1 plus 1 into P of 1. Now 0.61 into P of 1, its value is 0.3315. 0.3315 whole by 1 plus 1, that is 2. On computing this value 1011. Okay, that is P of 2. In this way we have to find out remaining probabilities also. P of 0 value is 0.5435. P of 1 value is 0.3315. P of 2 value is 0.1011. Now we need to find out probabilities for 3 and 4. Now let us find out P of 3, that is P of 2 plus 1. Okay, now x plus 1, x is equal to 2 as per the recurrence formula mu by x plus 1 into P of x. Here mu is 0.61 by x plus 1, 2 plus 1 into P of 2. Okay, now 0.61 into P of 2 value 0.1011 by 2 plus 1, 3. On computing this expression we get 0.205. Okay, now let us find out probability for x is equal to 4, that is probability for 3 plus 1. X plus 1, x is 3. Therefore by recurrence formula we have 0.61 by x plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, P of x, P of 3. Okay, that is 0.61 into P of 3 value 0.0205 by 3 plus 1. Okay, on computing 0.00312. Now we have to find out expected frequencies. Okay, expected frequencies are given by the formula f of x is equal to n into p of x. Okay, this is the formula to find expected frequencies. Now okay, these are all probabilities for x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to find out expected frequencies. Okay, expected frequencies are given by f of x is equal to n into p of x. Now expected frequencies. Frequencies are given by f of x is equal to n into p of x. Okay, f of x is equal to n into p of x. Now let us find out f of 0. F of 0 is equal to n into, here capital N value is 200, therefore 200 into p of 0. Okay, now 200 into p of 0, p of 0 value is 0.5435, 0.5435. Okay, multiply these two factors, 200 into 0.5435, 108.7. Okay, but we have to round off this value. Okay, we have to round off this value. Okay, its value is 109 after round off. Okay, now similarly have to find out f of 1. 200 into p of 1, 200 into probability of 1 is 0.3315, 0.3315. Okay, and multiplying two factors we get 66.3. Okay, this becomes 66 after round off. Similarly, f of 2, it is given by 200 into probability for getting 2 successes, p of 2. 200 into p of 2, p of 2 value is 0.1011. Okay, multiply these two numbers, we will get 20.22. Okay, this value becomes 20 after round off. Similarly, f of 3, that is 200 into p of 3, that is 200 into probability for getting 3 successes is 0.0205. Multiply these two numbers, we will get 4.1. After round off this number, we will get 4. Similarly, finally, last expected frequency, f of 4, 200 into p of 4 plus 200 into probability for getting 4 successes, 0.00312. Okay, its value is given by 0.624. Round off this value, we will get 1. Therefore, expected frequencies are f of 0 is equal to 100. Expected frequencies are f of 0 is equal to 109, f of 1 is equal to 66, f of 2 is equal to 20, f of 3 is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to. In this way, without performing the random experiment, we can expect frequencies. Okay, these are the frequencies. These are the frequencies obtained by performing random experiment, but without doing random experiment we can expect these frequencies. Okay. Now suppose that E of x is expected frequency, then f of 0 is 109, expected frequencies 109. Okay, f of 1 66, f of 2 20, okay, f of 3 is 4, f of 4 is 1. Okay, now we can total all of these values. You will get 109 plus 20, 66 plus 20 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 200. Okay, these are expected frequencies. Okay.